Lesson 8. Using the compass. In this lesson, we are using compass. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Thank you. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learn the lesson 8. The compass. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, we are using compass heading. The compass heading block returns the heading that you are facing if you are holding the microbit flat with the pins toward you. 0 degrees is north. We store this heading in a variable called item. Second, we are using AND block. Much of the rest of this code is straightforward, but the logical AND block is used. This combines two logical statements into one statement that returns true when both of the other statements are true and only true. Third, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit, you will first see instructions on the microbit LED array. The instructions will ask you to draw a circle, move the microbit around until all of the part of the circle have been added and it displays a smiley face. While standing still, rotate in the direction of the LED that is on. When both LEDs are lit, you are facing generally north. If you are outside,